Cycling is booming, and innovative bike solutions are in demand in the sports retail. This is where Wintersteiger comes into play, supplying complete solutions for sports retailers. Gentle yet efficient cleaning is particularly important. Veloclean, the versatile solution for manual bike cleaning and pre-cleaning. As a self-service station with payment terminal, Veloclean is ideal for professional use in bike rentals and for bike service workshops. A water air jet rapidly and reliably removes even caked-on dirt and mud. Dirt and wastewater are collected for environmentally responsible disposal. Veloclean can be used anywhere, both indoors and outdoors, and even without a compressed air connection and running water, as the compressor, water tank, and cleaning agent are all integrated. VeloBrush is a versatile solution for professional, fully automated bike cleaning. The innovative ergonomic bike mount means loading the bike is just as easy as cleaning it. With cleaning programs from just 2 minutes, huge time savings are possible in comparison to conventional cleaning. Low-pressure technology and horizontal rotating brushes clean thoroughly and gently, as is needed for e-bikes, high-tech frames, and sensitive bicycle components. And all that with minimal water consumption. VeloBrush can be configured according to your store's specific requirements. Let's take another look at the most important benefits. Do you think bigger when it comes to bikes? So do we. Do you need a complete bike service concept? Here we go.